Hello students, so today's topic of science is food and health. We all know about the food, what is food, but the question arises, why do we eat food? And the answer to the question is, food gives us energy. But how? Food has special content called nutrient. These nutrients when dissolved in blood gives us energy. This energy help us in doing our life tasks like walking, running, writing, listening and seeing objects. Alright, so this energy is also used for growth, repair and it also protects us from other diseases. So nutrients are of 4 types. First is carbohydrates. Next is fats. Other is protein. Last but not least is vitamins and minerals. So first of all we talk about carbohydrate. These carbohydrates are energy providing food. These gives us instant energy. They give us instant energy like glucose. You drink glucose, right? That gives you energy and instantly. So potato, rice, wheat and fried food are rich in carbohydrates. Next is fat. What are fats? Every greasy substance that you used for eating or for cooking of the food is known as fat, such as ghee, oil, refined, etc. These are fats. They also are energy giving foods. They provide twice the amount of energy as compared to carbohydrate. That means if you consume equal amount of carbohydrate and fat will give you double the amount of energy than carbohydrate. Alright, so fat are present in your food like ghee, oil and refined oil, and the oil cooked and the oil used for cooking of the food that also provide you energy. Now we have learned that energy also help in growth. That energy obtained from proteins. So protein are called body building food. Alright, so proteins are called body building food. They also help in repairing of cell. When we get injured, they help us in repairing the cell and we get well soon. Proteins rich food are pulses, meat, eggs and soya bean. These are protein rich food. Now coming up to vitamins. Vitamin and minerals are required by the body in very small amount. These are obtained from fresh vegetable and fruits. Vitamins are of 2 types. First is water soluble and second one is fat soluble. So what are water soluble vitamins? Water soluble vitamins are those vitamins which are soluble in water only, and the example of these are vitamin B and C. You can also learn it by trick that black coat can be washable into water only. So black coat is washable into water only. So B and C are the water soluble vitamins. What are fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are those vitamins which are soluble in fat only, and the examples are K, E, D, A. And the trick to learn it that Keeda is soluble in fat only. K-E-D-A. Keeda is soluble in fat only. Alright. Now mineral. What are the examples of minerals? Minerals are calcium, iron. So here is the table of minerals, their function and the sources from where we get these minerals. First mineral is calcium. So calcium is needed for teeth and bones. It is present in or it is obtained from milk and pulses. Milk and pulses are rich in calcium. Next is phosphorus. Phosphorus is needed for the development of teeth and bones. This is also present in milk, pulses and green vegetables. Alright. Next mineral is iron. So these minerals are required in very small amount in our body. So iron is the mineral which is required for hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? It carries oxygen from lungs to other body parts. Alright, this is present in green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Okay, so we should eat green leafy vegetables for the requirement of iron. Next is potassium and sodium. These both minerals are required for the balance of water in body. Balance of water in body, and potassium and sodium are present in salt. The salt we eat daily or salt we eat in with our food is rich in potassium and sodium, and this is important because water level and balancing of water is very important for our body. So this is all about the minerals, their function and sources.